Hi y'all, my name is Arie'Yauna, also known as Janice. If you are new to my channel, hello, and if you are not, thank you for watching. Continue to watch.
No, you can't tell nobody. I'm talking about nobody. I hope you're responsible. I'm not just anybody.
Right now, we are at the mall. I'm getting a couple things for Bree because this weekend is our anniversary, and so we're going on a cabin. I'm gonna show you guys all of that. But yeah, we're going to a cabin, and we're just going to enjoy time with each other. So yeah, but because I want to go to Lulu and get her this Lulu jacket that she wants to match like these pants she got, and I'm gonna get her that. And then also I'm gonna just look around and see what else they got. But yeah, I already got her a promise ring, and then I got her this Prada cologne that she really likes, and she used to wear it when we first met, but then she ran out and just like never got it again. Ooh, Balenciaga bags are so cute. But anyways, yeah, so she used to wear it then, but then she just stopped. So now I'm gonna just see like what can I get her? Because I don't know, but I want to make a scrapbook, but I have to go to the store and get everything. And like literally I had work at 3 today, and like I just been procrastinating and like contemplating. It's been a time. Yeah. But they got aloe in here. I don't know. I know she has some aloe stuff, but I might look in there just to look. Yeah, let's go. Cause who gonna say something to us? Too, because it's this cologne that she sent me. I'm surprised I don't got the little gate up, the little rope and stuff. Oh, I might go on Tory Burch because they had this Tory Burch necklace. I'm gonna go in here. Okay. Hi.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, Harry. Okay, y'all. Me and Bree are at Target, and we about to head to the cabin in like a little bit, but we just gotta get a couple things. So now we deciding between which Lego set we want. Do we want the flowers or do we want the love one? We don't know yet. But I don't know. It don't matter to me.
I don't feel like you'll actually keep this in your room.
It's gonna be in my vase.
Think so?
Yeah, that'd be cute in my vase. You think might make my room look tacky?
A little bit. I feel like the Legos, like the decoration, be tacky. I'm not gonna lie.
Really?
Yeah, but if you like,
But what was we gonna do with the love?
this, I feel like you could put this on the shelf.
You think so?
Yeah, you don't think so?
I guess.
Nah,
I mean, I don't know. Red, I wouldn't want that on my shelf.
you wouldn't put that in your room.
Let's look and see what other one. Oh, they got the Pharrell one. Yeah, I like this one. This one is cool.
You wanna do that one?
No. Let's go. I don't embarrass myself. My voice sound weird. It's because last night I went to a party and I didn't get home till I didn't get in the bed till like 5 in the morning. And that is so crazy. Like I ain't never did that before. But yes, I didn't get home till like 5 in the morning. Well, I didn't get in bed till like 5 in the morning. It was craziness going on. Like people skirted off in their cars. I was like, oh no, I was ready to go. Girl, then it was a night, okay? Let's get the after dark stuff. Icebreaker. If you had a hall pass for any celebrity,
Oh, you don't want to play them games.
what did you repeat on an open relationship? Have you ever been romantic with a friend's sibling? Now let's get this. So, let me get to know you. Let me know the real you. You wanna get? No. You wanna get this?
Yeah, they got a bigger one,
Okay, I'm gonna see how long I leave this door.
but y'all, me and we in the parking lot of Einstein. We stopped for some breakfast before we go to the cabin. Girl, I mean, not girl, but y'all, we too ready. We too ready. Back, we was ready at like, what was it, like 9?
Yeah, 9:30.
It was like 9:30, y'all. We don't check in till 1. Oh my gosh. But I'm gonna let y'all know when we're on the way to the cabin. And yeah, see y'all.
I will wait for you,
Take the exit.
Baby songs like. Okay, so we have arrived at Walmart. We have to get some like food, dinner, breakfast, lunch. We was a bit lazy and we didn't bring. Yeah, we're gonna bring our oatmeal from home and stuff, cause man, our oatmeal was. But we was gonna bring it and stuff, but we started a bit lazy and we didn't bring it. This only cart. Okay, so we are getting ready to. Oh my gosh. Babe, it got a dent in it. Yes. Oh my gosh. That's your fault. I done dropped my camera, y'all.
What you think on your wrist, man?
Okay, man.
How you got that right? See, it would have caught it.
No, this your fault for having to pull out my camera.
Nah.
We're about to head to the cabin. We're in the last stretch of this trip there. But yeah, we got s'more. We got stuff for s'mores. We got water. We got dinner. We was gonna cook like a whole dinner. Like we was gonna cook like a whole steak and stuff. We being lazy, is we?
Yeah, but
It's okay, cause we're gonna enjoy every moment of it. So we're gonna have pasta and some wine tonight. And a good movie. Man, we didn't even get no popcorn for the movie. Womp womp. We just arrived. Look, y'all. Look at nature. Look at my baby. We can just sit, watch nature. Oh my gosh. What? Oh my gosh. Babe. This is too dope. Oh my gosh. Oh, they got a s'mores kit. Hot chocolate. This is too dope. Ooh, got a little carpet. Let's see the bathroom. I'm gonna put y'all down. Enjoy this on my bed, and then I'm gonna come back. Babe, this is nice. Oh, look at us. Oh, we got firewood out here. Oh, they got little dish sponges, so we can. They said wash our dishes. Then we got radios.
that's the
Wait, babe, they got little games and stuff. Well, they got books and little cards.
card game.
Wait, but hold on, let's see. Okay. Oh, here's s'mores kit. This is dope. Wait, we lucky should have did this, huh?
Yeah, we should. They probably got to cool them up.
Back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I've been enough of petty dudes. I've had enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better today than cash today.
Okay, y'all, so we got all of our stuff out the car. Let me turn it so it's more light, but okay, we got all of our stuff out the car. I think I'll do a little grocery store thing. So we got some fire stuff, and we got this camera. So let's take some pictures. Ooh, we're supposed to take our first picture in the car. We're gonna take it here. Then we got this pasta tonight because we've been lazy.
Man, better be another roll of toilet paper.
We have to use only.
Well, they got a dog bowl. That's cute. Okay. Yeah, I showed y'all that. Then we got some stuff with s'mores, but we was like, we should have just bought their s'mores kit. Oh, it's 8 graham crackers, vegan marshmallows, and then 4 milk chocolate squares.
It's probably perfect. That's all we need.
Yeah, that's all we needed. It's okay. Yeah, then we got marshmallows. We got oatmeal. We got these oatmeal too. And we got chocolate. But yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna give y'all a little tour. Even though we done brought our stuff in now, so it's a little messy, but anyways, I'm gonna show y'all. So when you walk in, it looks like this, the kitchenette with the bed and the beautiful, beautiful window with just nature. Like nature. Then it got like it got benches, a little table. Oh wait, this is a bench for the table. Yeah. That's dope. Then here is the bathroom. It's small, like, you know, it's a bathroom. Toilet with a shower. So yeah. I'm so excited. I'm happy to be here. Like, thank you God for even allowing us to even come here, be here, and you know. Oh wait, babe, we can take this outside when we're going on nature walk. We're taking this on our nature walk. For real. But yeah. Oh, let me lights on the bed. But okay. First things first, we're gonna go on a nature walk, right, babe? What is love? We gotta take a picture.
Where's the camera at?
Okay, then we can use this to kind of see how we look.
I don't know how to use it.
Let me see.
Stacked up. Yeah, this is beautiful.
This is, yeah. Yeah, did you load up?
This one, oh. What? Look at it.
Let me see. Oh my God, this is dope. Let me see. You take it?
Mm-hmm. What we look like?
You say point and snap. Oh.
How did you do that?
I turned it all the way here.
0?
Yeah. Okay, let's try.
I'll take some pictures of you too.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I guess that's if we need anything extra. Could have made some burgers, slap some aluminum foil on there, and grill over the fire.
Man, we was tripping.
Gotta try that one day.
Yeah. We're gonna come back.
Oh yeah.
Now we about to go on like a nature walk. Why did I bring my phone? Mm-hmm. I love you.
I love you too, man.
Okay, let's figure out what a nature trail is. It's actually a little far from here.
Okay. We gonna have like just a nice walk of this nature though.
Yeah.
We just can't get along. This show they can talk about bear scat.
Been bubbly, feeling lovely, living lovely, just lovely. I wanna be with you, ay. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you, ay.
Oh, you thought you was gonna let me fall. You called me at the last second.
Girl, no, I wasn't gonna let you.
Man, you called me at the last second. I lost my life. Man, I swear that like a little deer.
Look at all these mushrooms. See, that's what I was
Where?
thinking. Since it's so wet out here.
Oh.
Yeah. This is crazy.
Man, that was steep.
Shit, we still got all this to go.
Man, don't act like you're not breathing hard.
Shoot.
You
I
tired
feel it.
too.
I am tired. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Man, that's... You're breathing hard as me.
I'm just tired.
I did too much. Whew.
Hey, There you go, baby.
Okay, so we just got back from the nature walk. It was very beautiful. It's just the sounds of nature was very beautiful. And we seen mushrooms. Yeah, we're having a great time. We're going to start our fire around 6. But yeah, but right now, we just sitting outside. It is sprinkling a little bit. We're going to start on our Lego set. I'm excited.
Which one is this?
Pretty pink flower bouquet.
Okay. Yeah, this sounds...
You know, babe, I never made a Lego set.
I was about to say the same thing. I have, but
Not like
since
for
I
real,
was a
for real.
kid. Yeah, it was in little bitty packs. It wasn't a huge Lego
Yeah.
set. I got it.
Thank you.
I'm telling y'all, man, she just don't even know.
Talking to them.
Huh?
I keep talking to them.
I said, oh, I'm wearing yo Arie'Yauna. What? You love me for real. I wonder how I'm gonna look at this on.
Cute.
Crazy.
Fine. Oh, this is great. I love this. I'm
You
happy.
give me my camera time.
Huh?
I said, you give me my camera time.
I like when you be in my vlogs.
I wanna be with you, ay. I wanna be with. I wanna be with you, ay. I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. Me, just love me. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. I got something.
Babe, let me get these back. Our picture's dusty. Oh my god, we get these back. Our picture is dusty. It's gonna be crazy.
Camera's nice.
Yeah, I like them.
This is amazing.
Yeah, this is dope.
We sleeping with this open.
You gotta pick one. The big one or the little one?
Big one, of course.
Guys, we made our oh, they look so pretty on camera.
Really pretty on camera.
Oh my gosh. But we made our flowers. We took a break because that was a lot. But we got this one too. This one is cute. And we got this one. So we made 4. Oh, we actually gotta make another one of these.
I have to look back at the wall. I'm about to run this, what's it called, up.
You do. You man, stop. No more pictures. No more pictures.
We gotta look back and be like, here we got mama vlogging, recording, and then we watch the recording video.
You wanna eat some graham crackers? Y'all, let me tell y'all. Okay, so me and Bree, man, that's why we can't go nowhere without a plan. Babe, we done learned this so many times. Yeah. So listen, y'all, we went to the store. I told y'all we was being lazy with our food. And so we got, bless me. Thank you. We got oatmeal for breakfast. We got pasta for dinner. And we got s'mores. What about fruit? What about some veggies? What about, we didn't even get no bread to go with our bless me. We didn't even go to oven. Okay, get it out.
What's that?
Okay.
Yeah, you look crazy.
Man, we're doing this all. We're supposed to be off our phones. That's okay.
Guys, welcome to our OnlyFans. And today, fun. You getting crumbs all in the bed. Dude.
I'm sorry. Let me go eat at the table.
That's our 1 year, y'all.
That's all you got? Tell me how much you love me. Tell me how we met. Something. I don't know. Tell me what you think you got.
What I think I got? Okay, so I told her not to give me no gift because she like to think it's Christmas. And I'm like, what you trying to get me? She's like Christmas. Like, I just want to get you stuff. It's not Christmas. But, Yeah, we met freshman year. And she said that she saw me move in day. But
I did.
you know, she gonna say that she said that. But I remember meeting her. And it was in the freshman kitchen. It's a little kitchen down there that they got for the freshmen. And so we were talking.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, look, y'all. Moral of the story, we locked in real bad.
Man, don't laugh at me. It's not like this thing. We're both gonna be going back and forth. Then, and then it's like I'm feeding you, so you're gonna be eating it. I'm like, then you're gonna pass back to me. I'm gonna start eating. Okay. Actually, let's do it. Let's do it like this. Let me see how the camera looks. This lighting is bomb. Bomb diggity. Bomb diggity. Man, babe, get up here.
I never heard you say that before.
Bomb diggity.
Yeah. You must be real excited.
Okay. One take, that's it. Okay, you ready?
We'll start.
Okay. Okay, ready?
You throw it first.
Okay, 1, 2.
Wait, we You gotta let me catch it first. You giving it and taking it. You gotta let me catch it like that.
Chop.
This shit gonna be done.
It's you, it's not me. Come on. Let me show y'all. Hold on, let me start. Okay, y'all. So, like I told y'all, me and Bree did not grocery shop well, and so now we're about to head to the gas station to see if they can get some snacks. And it's a McDonald's connected to the gas station, so we might get McDonald's, and hopefully the gas station got some fruit, something. We funny. It's okay, y'all. This is our first time. Here at Love's. Want to see what they got. See what they can get. Okay, they got apples. They got apples. They got oranges. Yeah. Oh, they got this. They got pineapple. You're fine. These pineapples, white as ever. Fruit is fruit. Ooh, salted caramel cheesecake. This one look good. And
Some munchies?
ooh, yes. Yeah. Bingo! Hey! Say it again.
How did we end up coming from a cabin inside of a McDonald's talking about we want a Denny's chicken nugget? Grocery shopping. Okay.
I know, I might just give me a 6-piece Happy Meal.
I was gonna get a Happy Meal too.
Happy, yeah. Well, I said Happy Meal. Okay, y'all. So, oops, let me take it. Okay, we're outside. We're about to start our fire. Cause we bought a fire starter kit. It's dang on 20%. But okay, so we're outside about to start our fire. Oh, I feel like once we get the fire going, should I start cooking or we go? Okay.
Yeah. And we got us a blanket at the store too. But I'm gonna show y'all. Ooh. So we did buy the fire starter kit bundle. Wait, hold on. Oh, the plastic blocks right there. Okay, 1, 2.
We couldn't wait to do this, huh?
Nope.
You wanna do this one?
You can.
I got it. I wonder how long it's gonna take for us to get the fire.
Mm-hmm.
So we need some dry wood, some bark.
Okay, so we got the fire going. Let me show y'all. It's not humongous, but like the fire there. But we got us some wine. So we're gonna pop open this bottle of wine. Our first time. But anyways, we're gonna pop open this bottle of wine and cheers to our warrior.
No, let's just take this off.
Oh
We gotta
man. I think we can pull it out. Come on, let's see.
It's not inside the bottle. We can pull it out.
Yeah.
You gonna pull it?
You wanna pull it? Okay. Now you pull it.
Alright.
Let's pour our cups up. Yeah. Let's see what it tastes like. What is it for?
Let's start with a little bit. Just trying to get you.
Too early for s'mores?
No, we can take it out right now. We chilling right now.
Mhm.
Oh, you can't put this back in right?
You should be able to.
I don't think mine does that.
It does. Let me see. That's fire.
I don't think it goes back in. I don't know if I've ever seen. People usually finish a wine bottle like in one sitting.
Yeah.
You end up knocking the bottle over. Alright, we can cover it with this. Oh, it's a cap.
Oh.
Alright, y'all. This some. What is this? Some rosé.
Some sparkling rosé.
Yeah.
Ready? Happy 1 year.
Happy 1 year, man.
The sun ain't been out all day. It's been sprinkling and stuff. Now the sun want to start coming out. Boo. Set. I'm trying to get Bree these gifts. Woo. Yeah. S'mores. I hope this vlog not boring. I'm just showing y'all what we doing. I don't know. But we made it to 1 freaking year. And I'm going to use 2 for 1 sandwich. Babe, turn the fire out. Babe, roast them, babe, roast them. Get them, babe, get them.
Look at that sitting by the fire.
Aw. Get them, babe. Yo. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ooh, nice and toasty.
Oops.
Ooh, hold on. They put it out. I said roast them, not burn them. Not cook them.
It's cooking on the outside.
Then put that fire out.
That's how you do it. Watch, when I pull it off, it's gonna be soft.
Babe, that's a fire. Man, you talking about.
You keep slipping on these rocks.
My eye was burning. We use a cookie, press it down, and slide off. Cookie.
That's you missing a marshmallow.
No, I didn't.
That's what I was trying to get you. I was gonna say take the burnt part off.
Okay, well, I'm not high tech, so.
High tech.
Man, shut up. Boom, boom, boom. I haven't had s'mores in so long.
Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom.
Boom, boom, boom. 2, 3, cheers. Ooh, look at that. We meant to be. Now, why they let these kids in the woods? Babe, that's crazy. Oh my gosh, y'all. Oh my gosh. Whew. Y'all don't understand. Look at her. Trying to act all strong. There go. Oh my gosh, y'all. Y'all don't understand.
Get away from them rocks. How about that?
Oh my god, y'all. Bree just almost bust her booty. She done slid down these rocks. She done slid down these rocks and wanna boost her booty. It's dangerous.
It is. No, you need to get away.
Man, you don't want to. You lucky I was there.
Alright now.
Okay.
Dang, man. I don't know what I would have done if I was down.
You would have been embarrassed. Man, you would act like you were so cool. No, you're not cool.
Boom.
But sit down. Don't burn your hand.
Good enough.
Hell no. Put that little part on there.
No, man, it is. I'm straight melted marshmallow. That's how you do it. Straight like that.
You done crushed the crap. Y'all think about going on a trip by yourself with your significant other, with your friends, do it. It's fun. Can I talk to my vlog? Well, if y'all think about doing it, do it. It's fun. It's fun. It's cool about. It's nice. Just make sure you prepare so I don't gotta go to McDonald's like me and Bree. That's crazy. But anyways, I hope this vlog not boring. I'm gonna try to make it as interesting as I can. It's really just like a love vlog, you know? I don't know. I'm in love, y'all.
You said what?
Nothing. I didn't say nothing.
You said what?
Nothing. I said I'm in love. Yeah, I forgot Bree scared of ladybugs.
I ain't scared of no ladybug.
Man, you just jumped up like that. Man, that made me pull out that video.
How about you kill it then? How about
I'm not killing that ladybugs. That we soulmates. You just tell me how grateful you are for me.
man, I was not. I was telling you how when we get home I need my clothes folded.
Man, stop playing with me.
You my good luck charm. I don't need no ladybug.
Acted a plum fool.
You got me some clothes.
Yeah.
Baby.
It's nothing.
You know I need clothes.
It's not.
No, I'm serious. Like I need basic stuff like this. How did you find this?
Nordstrom.
I
This
don't be
brand.
shopping, huh?
Elwood. This.
The rip cinnamon. Yeah.
I'm glad. I was like, she can wear it with a cute
Yeah.
chain. Then I was like, dang, what pants she gonna wear with it?
Figure it out.
So then,
Were you supposed to be adding to what you try to give me?
yeah. Got you some jean shorts. Man, what's your waist size?
30.
Man, I hope these fit.
This is
but,
30.
yeah, but yeah, you like them? I was like, I ain't never seen her with no jean shorts.
Yeah,
other than
like
them.
some skinny was I tried buying.
So Brielle just, let me take this off because let me be cute. But Brielle just went in the house telling some, you want your gift? Boo, you said we wasn't doing gifts. What are you talking about? Well, I guess you gotta make gifts. I don't know. We're gonna see.
When I first, okay, so I wrote you, I wrote you something, all right? Yeah. And when I first did it, I was trying to make it all perfect. I couldn't figure out what's right. I'm like, nah, this ain't me, this ain't right. I just started writing how I felt, and I feel like this is like, you know what I'm saying? It was, shit, oh my God. Laura, damn it. Hold on. Girl, you ain't shit. Babe, for real.
Yeah, baby.
This verse starts as my snipe.
I love you.
I love you so much, babe.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
Let's hit their marks and your guards fall down from a rifle to the heart like clap, clap. Let them fall slow. I know you had your fears.
It's our anniversary. It's our anniversary.
You are so beautiful.
You are, baby.
Today's our anniversary, man. 3. My leg is sore.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's okay. 365 days
365. Crazy.
since I made one of the best decisions in my life.
Girl, you so sweet. Yes, it's our anniversary. Show them your ring again. You don't got your ring on? Why don't you got your ring on? You supposed to keep your ring on. What you trying to tell me?
You see this, y'all?
Deal cricket. I love you.
Yes, Lord. I love you too, man.
Yes, God. But right now we're just chilling. We about to go. We're gonna go outside and go on a final walk. I don't know what we're gonna do today because we do leave today, and today is our anniversary, so we don't know exactly what we're gonna do. If we're gonna do anything today, we're just gonna enjoy each other.
Yeah. It's our day, so.
Yeah. I'm gonna piss a little water, but.
Girl, yeah.
All right. I'll talk to y'all when we go on our walk.
Bye.
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 I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better today than yesterday. Ooh, I just take it day by day.